Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Startrite V500F. It's a 20-inch throat vertical bandsaw, currently wired for 230 volt, 3-phase, all original paint. It's a very pretty machine. Variable speed, just by turning the hand dial. There's your blade welder. We tried that, that works fine. Your blade grinder. The wheels are in nice shape. You have a jog button so you could shift between your high and low. Have the machine standing on a pallet and up near something, so it's hard to get around the back, but all the paint's on it. It's all very clean. These machines were nice. They were built with box tubing in the bottom, so it's very easy to pick them up, move them around with a forklift. Right now we have it in low speed. You can up the speed just turning this dial. The rear cover's vibrating a little. I don't have it latched on, but then to shift it, you can just jog it, and you just lift the shifter, you pull the knob out. There we go. We're in high speed now. We jog it again just to make sure we're shifting right. There we go. Now we're in high speed. Dial's a little drunk, but it's there. There you have it. It's a nice clean bandsaw, probably the nicest Startrite we've ever had in stock. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.